Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2011 Chrysler 300 Limited, stock number B9266X. Only 48,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Tungsten metallic in color. The 300 is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And a removable cargo net. Perfect for keeping smaller items secure. The 300 is in the large car class. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, large, easy-to-read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated front seats, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 5-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead auto-dimming mirror, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this 300 has a 3.6 liter V6, 292 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9266X to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.